How's it going? My name is Lana, and today we're gonna be doing some makeup. It's gonna be a 5-part video for full face makeup. And today we're gonna start with foundation. So, what's foundation? You know, it's the thing you put on your face so you don't look ratchet. Today I'll be using Tarte Empowered Medium Sand because it totally goes with my skin. You get your MAC 170 brush. Dip it just a little bit. See, that's more than enough. You wanna do like a tribal paint. Here we go. Boom, like that. There you go. And you go, just like that. And then you wanna do a little bit right on the chin too. And then don't forget the neck. I cannot tell you how many girls like forget to do their neck and you just look ratchet AF. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this in. So you can like do this with a sponge too, but like it's so much better if you do it with a brush because it looks so much better. And you guys are gonna look as good as me, but I look hella good all the time. Look how beautiful I look. That's how you do foundation. Thank you guys so much for watching my foundation tutorial. I hope you found it really interesting. Make sure you come by again. Next time, we're gonna be doing eyes, unfortunately. Bye!